Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Train Your English Brain. I'm Emma. Today, I want to ask you something. Have you ever studied 100 new sentences in one day, and then the next day you forgot almost all of them? This happens to so many learners. They study a lot, but they remember very little, and they think, maybe I'm just bad at learning languages. But that's not true at all. The real problem is not how much you study. The real problem is how you study. Most learners try to learn many new sentences, one time each, but there is a much better way. Today, I will teach you a simple but powerful rule. The rule is learn one sentence and say it 100 times. Don't learn 100 sentences and say each one only once. Let me explain why this matters so much. When you say a new sentence only one time, your brain treats it as unimportant information. It goes in one ear and out the other, just like background noise. But when you repeat the same sentence again and again, your brain understands something different. It thinks, this must be important. I need to remember this. And slowly, that sentence becomes part of your automatic memory. This is exactly how babies learn their first language. A baby doesn't learn 100 new words in one day. A baby hears the same words, the same simple sentences over and over, hundreds of times from their parents. And through repetition, those words become permanent. Your adult brain can learn English the same way, through repetition, not through quantity. Let me tell you a story. This is a story about a real student, and I will call him Leo. Leo used to study with big vocabulary lists. Every day, he tried to learn 30, sometimes 50 new words and sentences. He felt proud of himself because he was studying so much, so quickly. But when Leo tried to speak in real conversations, something strange happened. He couldn't remember any of the sentences he studied. His mind went blank. All those words, all those sentences seemed to disappear completely. He felt frustrated and confused. He thought, I studied so much. Why can't I remember anything? Leo's teacher explained the problem clearly. She said, Leo, you are collecting sentences, but you are not truly learning them. Learning happens through repetition, not through collection. She gave him a new method. Instead of studying 50 new sentences, Leo would choose only 3 sentences each week, but he would say each sentence out loud at least 100 times throughout the week. At first, this felt strange to Leo. It felt too slow, too simple. But he trusted the process and continued. By the end of the week, something amazing happened. He didn't need to think about those 3 sentences anymore. They came out of his mouth automatically, without effort, exactly when he needed them in conversation. This is the real power of deep repetition. When you repeat something enough times, it becomes automatic. Your mouth remembers the movement, your brain remembers the pattern, and when the moment comes in real life, the sentence appears naturally, without you even thinking about it. Now, let's practice this together. I will give you one simple, useful sentence. We will repeat it many times in different ways, so your brain and your mouth can truly learn it deeply. Here is our sentence. Can you help me, please? Let's say it slowly together, one time. Can you help me, please? Let's say it again. Can you help me, please? One more time, a little faster. Can you help me, please? Good job. Now, let's change the emotion. Say it like you are a little worried. Can you help me, please? Now, say it politely with a smile in your voice. Can you help me, please? Now, say it quickly, like in a real busy conversation. Can you help me, please? Excellent. Let's try one more useful sentence. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Say it slowly with me. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Again, a little faster. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? One more time with confidence. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Wonderful work. Do you feel the difference? After repeating a sentence many times, it starts to feel natural in your mouth. It's not just words anymore. It becomes a habit, something your body remembers, just like riding a bicycle. Here is a simple and powerful exercise for you. Choose one useful English sentence today. It can be simple, like, "What time is it?" or "I would like some water." Say this sentence out loud at least 20 times right now, in different tones: slow, fast, happy, curious, confident. Take a moment now and try it. Don't rush. Feel your mouth getting used to the words. Remember this important truth. Your brain does not need 100 sentences today. Your brain needs one sentence, repeated with patience until it becomes automatic. Quality of repetition matters much more than quantity of new material. Many learners feel pressure to learn more every single day, but this pressure often creates weak, forgettable knowledge. Instead, choose fewer sentences, but repeat them deeply until they truly belong to you. This is how real, lasting fluency is built, slowly, patiently, one strong sentence at a time. So here is your homework for today. Choose just one sentence you want to remember forever. Say it out loud 100 times today. Yes, 100 times, spread through your day. While cooking, while walking, while waiting for the bus. By tonight, this sentence will belong to you completely. I know 100 times sounds like a lot, but this is exactly the secret that separates learners who forget everything from learners who truly become fluent. Repetition is not boring. It is the foundation of real memory. So, my friend, please promise me one thing today. Choose one sentence and repeat it with love and patience again and again. Trust the process, even when it feels slow. Thank you so much for practicing together with me today. If this lesson helped you, please come back tomorrow for a new lesson. And remember, repeat deeply, not widely, and your English will become truly automatic over time. See you in the next episode, my friend. Keep practicing, be patient with yourself, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.